This is translation exercise 13 in Bill Mounce's workbook. We are going to look at questions 1 to 10. Question 1. Tauten tenento lane elabon paratu patros mu. We translate this, I received this commandment. Tauten tenento lane. This is the direct object in the accusative case. Tauten, which means this, is always going to be in the predicate position in all of its forms, but it's translated as a nominative. Tauten tenento lane means this commandment. Para tu patros mu, from my father. Question 2. Haute estin he megale kai prote entole. Haute, this, it's the feminine nominative singular. Haute estin he megale kai prote entole. He megale kai prote entole is literally the great and first commandment. It means, in English, the greatest and first commandment, first in importance. Question 3. E tauta oidate, makarioi este ean poiete auta. E tauta oidate, makarioi este ean poiete auta. E tauta oidate, if you know these things. Tauta is neuter plural. It is in the accusative case, and it's translated these things. It's not modifying anything, so it functions as a substantive. E tauta oidate, if you know these things. Makarioi este, ean poiete auta. Makarioi este, blessed are you. If ean poiete auta, you do them. Auta from autos, them. Question 4. Ekde tes poleos ekenes poloi epistus san esauton ton samariton diaton logon tes gunaikos. The word order of the Greek is a little bit jumbled, at least from an English point of view. We'll translate literally. Ekde tes poleos ekenes means now out of that city. Poloi epistusan, many believed esauton in him, ton Samariton, of the Samaritans. The ton Samariton goes with poloi. Poloi ton Samariton, many of the Samaritans. Epistusan, believed esauton in him. Diaton logon tes gunaikos, because of or on account of the word of the woman. Remember that dia with the accusative means on account of or because of. Question 5. Dia tuto, humes uk acuete, hoti ectu theu uk este. Dia tuto, humes uk acuete, hoti ectu theu uk este. Dia tuto means because of or on account of this. Humes uk acuete, you do not hear. Notice the emphasis on you, because humes is somewhat redundant. It adds stress to the subject. Humes uk acuete, you do not hear. Hoti ectu theu uk este, because from God not you are. In English, because you are not from God. Question 6. Hutos elthin hina marturese peritu photos hina pantes pistusos in diautu uk enekenos tophos al hina marturese peritu photos. This is a longer sentence, and we'll take it little by little. Hutos elthin means this one came. Hutos in the nominative often functions as a substitute for he. So this one, or this man, we can translate he came or this one came. Hina, in order that, marturese, he might bear witness peritu photos, concerning the light. Hina, in order that, pantes, all, pistuso sin diautu, in order that all might believe through him. Uk ein ekenos tophos, not he was, that one, that man. Ekenos, like hutos, often functions as a strong form of he. So literally this is, not he was that man the light, or that man was not the light, he was not the light. Al hina marturese peri tu photos. Something is missing here. Al, he was not the light, but in order to bear witness concerning the light. I think what's missing is he came. Eilthen. So, al eilthen hina marturese peritu photos, but he came in order that he might bear witness concerning the light. Question 7. Lege pros auton hegune, curie, dos moi tutoto hudor. Lege pros auton hegune. That's fairly straightforward. The subject is hegune, and it is, the woman says to him, Curie, Lord, dos moi, give me. Dos moi, give me. It's a phrase you can add to your Greek phrase book. Dos moi, give me. Tuto to hudor, this water. Literally, this the water. In English, simply this water. Question 8. Kai pas ho echon ten elpida tautein epauto hagnise heauton kathos ekenos hagnosestin. Kai pas ho echon ten elpida tautein epauto. This means, and everyone, kai pas, and everyone, ho echon ten elpida tautein, who has this hope. Ten elpida tautein, literally the hope, this. Tautein, as I pointed out earlier, will always be in the predicate position, but it functions attributively and is translated as an attributive. So ten elpida tautein means this hope. Ep auto, whoever has this hope, in him or on him, hagnise heauton, cleanses himself. Kathos ekenos hagnosestin, just as, kathos, just as, ekenos, that one. This is another example of ekenos being used to mean he. It's a strong form of the third person personal pronoun. At least it's equivalent to that. So ekenos, that one, but we would probably put it in English simply as he. Agnosestin is pure. Question 9. En poia exousia tauta poies. Etis soi edokin ten exousian tauten hina tauta poies. Notice that these are questions. You can see the question marks. They look like semicolons at the end of both sentences. En poia exousia means in or by what authority. In what authority or by what authority? Tauta poies. Tauta is the neuter plural. It's the direct object of poies. So it means you do these things. En poia exousia tauta poies. By what authority you do these things? A, or, he's going to repeat the same question in different words. Tis soi edoken ten exousian tauten. Tis soi edoken, who gave you ten exousian tauten, this authority? Hina tauta poies, in order that you might do these things. Tauta, the direct object. Question 10. This is a long one, so we cover it in 2 slides. Nun he psuchemu tetaraktai kai ti epo Pater, soson me ictes horas tautes? Allah, dia tuto elthon, esten horan tauten. Pater, doxason suto onoma. There are 3 sentences here. Let's take them one by one. Nun he psuchemu tetaraktai means now my soul he psuchemu tetaraktai is troubled. Kai ti epo means and what shall I say? Kai ti epo and what shall I say? Another one to add to your phrase book. Kai ti epo and what shall I say? What can I say? Pater, soson me ictes horas tautes. Father, save me ictes horas tautes from the hour, this one. Save me from this hour. So you see the question mark? He's asking, shall I say, Father, save me from this hour? Allah, but dia tuto elthon esten horan tauten. But on account of this, I came to this hour, into or unto, haste meaning into or unto. So Allah, dia tuto elthon esten horan tauten, but on account of this, or for this very reason, elthon esten horan tauten, I came to this hour. You recognize this passage, of course. It's Jesus grappling with his pending death, saying, should I say, Pater soson me ictes horas tautes? Father, save me from this hour? No, because I've come for this very purpose to this hour. And then he prays, Pater, doxason suto onoma. Father, glorify your name. We too can pray, Pater, doxason suto onoma. Second half of question 10. Elthen un phone ectu uranu. Kai edoxa, kai palin doxaso. Apecrithe Jesus kai epen. Udie me he phone haute gegonin. Allah dihumas. Elthen un, phone ectu uranu. Unya means then. It's the next thing that happened. So we're looking at a narrative unfolding chronologically. So un clearly means then. Sometimes means therefore, as you know. Then, elthen phone ectu uranu. A voice came out of heaven. And this is what the voice said. Kai e doxasa, kai palin doxaso. Kai means both and. So when you want to say both and in Greek, you say kai something, kai something. So both and. Kai e doxasa, both I have glorified. Kai palin doxaso, and again I will glorify. Notice there's no direct object. The direct object is my name, which we found one sentence earlier on the previous slide. Apecrithe Jesus kai epen. Jesus answered and said, Udie me he phone haute gegonen, Allah dihumas. Udie me, not on account of me. He phone haute gegonen. Gegonen, it came. So this voice, he phone haute, the voice, this one, this voice came. Allah dihumas, but on account of you. So the translation here, not on account of me this voice came, but on account of you, where the you is plural, is very literal. We would put it in English along the lines of, this voice did not come on account of me, but on account of you.